Hey guys, it's Lucas from Euro here and welcome back to Microfiber Monday. Today we're going to be learning how to clean with a microfiber towel. These microfiber towels are great for tackling any cleaning job and there are many ways to use them. You can either use these towels with water or without water. Owing to the structure of the fibers and the composition of polyester is to polyamide, microfiber towels trap and lift dust, dirt, and debris effectively as opposed to pushing it around like cotton cloths. The dirt gripping power of microfiber makes it effective even when dry dusting or wet wiping. You can also simply spray water on the towel or wet it and wipe the surfaces easily. Another way that you can clean with microfiber towels are with or without chemicals. They can actually help reduce the use of chemicals because they are super effective, not needing any soap or cleaning agents. For maximum efficiency, if you were using chemicals, spray down the surface with it and also spray some onto the microfiber towel before cleaning. So for a lighter cleaning job, you can use it dry or with a little bit of water, and for heavy duty cleaning, you can use your chemicals and cleaning agents. The next point is making sure to use one section of the towel at a time. This maximizes the number of fresh sides that you have when using the towel and also helps prevent the spreading of collected particles. In order to do this, fold the towel lengthwise and in half into a perfect square and then repeat the process by reversing it. So now you have 8 fresh sides on every new towel. Our last point is to wash and reuse these towels. These towels can be used hundreds of times when taken care of properly. A quick tip when washing these microfiber towels is to make sure you're washing them only with microfiber towels and not with clothes because that will help prevent linting. Make sure you're not using any high heat washing or drying. Avoid dryer sheets, bleach, detergent pots, palettes, and powders, using only gentle cleaning liquid and tumble drying on low heat settings. And now you can clean with our premium microfiber towels like a pro. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and also follow our brands on social media. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next Microfiber Monday.